So roll out your mats and come and meet me in child's pose. Now there are different variations of child's pose, but because we're first waking up, you want that length in your spine. I in particular tend to sleep like a little ball, so it's a really nice way to lengthen my spine. So what I want you to do is keep your knees on either edge of the mat, okay? And then just keep the bum squatted on the heels, and if this connection is hard, you can even place like a small pillow. And then reach your hands forward and rest the forehead on the floor. This itself is a nice way to begin because you create that length in your spine. I don't want you to hunch around. Remember, just create as much length. Spread your fingers wide, so we want to stretch even in between every finger. Okay. Reach your fingers forwards, like you're almost crawling your way out of bed. Inch by baby inch, inch by baby inch. And you can see that my spine is getting longer as I slowly move my hands forward. Create as much length as you can in your spine while still keeping the hips and the heels. Take an extra second here. And slowly, as you're ready, gently move both your hands to the left side. Reach with the right fingers, and you'll want a tendency to just roll out, but don't. Just keep the right armpit going towards the floor, like your ears want to touch the floor and you're listening to a secret the earth is telling you. Keep reaching with the fingertips, creating this really beautiful extended stretch on the right side. And trying to let the right fingers move a little bit more. Keep pushing down on the right shoulder blades, allowing your skin, your fabric of your muscles to just expand and release all of the stiffness that comes with long sleep. Slowly come back and we'll do the same on the opposite side. So the left hand is doing all the leading. Remember, just try and roll into the left side, almost like you can bring your ears down. And just extend through the left fingers, inch by baby inch by baby inch. Create more and more space and try and still keep the hips glued to the heels. With space, you'll want to lift, but don't. Just keep this connection so that the back is grounded. Take an extra second here. And slowly come back to the center with your forehead down. Cat and cow, and if your ankles were not used to that, just tap them out so that the blood flows right back. Simple cat and cow, so just dropping the spine, shoulders lift, pulling back as your head lifts. And then from there, as you exhale, round the shoulders, scoop the navel in and lift up. Again, inhale, drop the spine, gaze up to the sky, lengthen and stretch. And on the exhale, rounding the shoulders, scooping the navel in as you gaze and look inside. Last time, inhale, dropping the spine, shoulders pulling back. We're adding something additional. So I want you to pull the heel to the bum and push your shoulder blades back, kind of going a little bit deeper into that belly stretch. From there, you're going to curl the toes. We want to build strength as well, right? So rounding the body as you look to your belly button and seeing if you can lift the knees off 1 inch. Hold it just for a second to feel the energy in your body. Then slowly, gently drop the knees down. And then pull the heel to the bum as your shoulders pull back. As you gaze up to the sky, stretch your own spine. And gently from there, curl the toes, round the upper back. Look at your own belly button and lift the knees for 4, 3, 2,